You're watching News 19 Daybreak with Dustin Lukey and meteorologist Alyssa Triplett. Daybreak continues right now.
Good morning and welcome back. Well, it might not be something we tend to think about this time of year with less sunshine, but now is exactly the time you want to get checked for skin cancer, and that's because there's going to be a free clinic coming up later this month. Dr. Michael White from Mayo Clinic Health System is with me this morning to talk about this and why we're doing it this time of year. Michael, thanks for being with us.
So the American Academy of Dermatology has sponsored a free skin cancer screening clinic across the country, which we do every year. And we do it jointly with Gunderson. One year we host it, the next year they host it. We usually do it in April or May because May is melanoma month. But what we have found is our target audience, farmers, for example, are often out in the fields and not able to take time to come in. So we made a decision to do it at a less busy time of year. It's going to be Saturday, the 25th of January from 8 to noon in the Onalaska Clinic of Mayo in the dermatology department.
Right. And you do have to call for an appointment, so it's going to be from 8 till noon on the 25th, but you do want to make sure you call ahead of time to set up that appointment, right?
That's exactly. We take walk-ins,
okay,
but we want to encourage people to make appointments so that we're busy throughout the entire morning and also so people don't have to wait. Also, some people have transportation issues, so we made a point of providing a shuttle bus from downtown, from our Mayo Franciscan St. Clair Mission parking lot out to the Onalaska Clinic where it's going to be held. We're trying to make it as easy as possible.
Yeah, convenient to get to for anybody around the area, and like you said, giving more flexibility for those folks who do work outdoors during the summer months when you know they might be exposed to more chances for skin cancer. But really, who should be looking at coming to this screening?
Well, our target audience are people that normally don't have easy access to health care. So we don't want to treat our own patients, for example. I don't want to see my patients showing up for the skin cancer screening. That happens occasionally, but we want to target the people that have difficulty being seen, that don't have the resources to be seen, simply that haven't been looked at in a long time. Anybody that's got a new mole that's changing, that's bleeding, that's doing something that has them worried, I'd rather they came in and saw us and we'll tell them it's nothing than they're worrying about it. Every year we find skin cancers. Over the course of the time that I've been here, we found at least a couple of melanomas. So these are cancers that nobody should die from. And the people that I've lost to melanoma are people that didn't get in time to be seen. That's preventable. That's why we're doing it. It's free. It's a voluntary effort. We want to encourage people to come.
Yeah, so catching it early, like you said, is key, or as early as possible. And you can do so at that free skin cancer screening Saturday, the 25th, 8 a.m. to noon at the Mayo Clinic Health System building on Theater Road in Onalaska. And they do ask that you call 392-5844 for an appointment ahead of time. Michael, thanks for being with us this morning.
Thanks for having me.
Alyssa, over to you.
Well, thanks, Dustin. And after the break, we're keeping a close eye on our next system that could bring rain, snow, and ice accumulation.